Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create OnlyFans for feet. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to onlyfans.com. Then click on the sign up button. You can create your account using your email, Twitter or Google. Once you are in, click on your profile icon and select my profile. Then hit edit profile button. Now set up a catchy username, write a short bio, and upload a nice profile picture and cover photo. Make it clean and professional, especially since you are focusing on fit content. Now it's time to set your subscription price. You can choose to make your content free or charge a monthly fee. If you are just starting, keeping it affordable can help attract your first few fans. After that, go to the banking section to add your payment details. OnlyFans will need you to verify your identity with an ID, so keep that ready. Next, plan your content. Take clear, high-quality photos or videos of your feet and try different themes like spa day, barefoot walks, or nail art. Consistency is key, so upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. You can also use features like pay-per-view message or custom content request to earn more. Promote your OnlyFans on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, or Instagram. Just be sure to follow your rules. Use hashtags smartly and interact with your followers to build a loyal fan base. And that's it. Now you know how to create OnlyFans for fit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.